Hello friends, my name is Ankit as your teacher in Aanav creations classes. So now we are moving ahead in the third class of the re-series in the digital marketing course. Now we are going to heading upon your online goals in the digital marketing. So don't forget to subscribe the channel. Don't forget to press the bell icon to get the all notifications and like the video. Let's get started. Welcome back friends. Now the topic as I told you, it's online your goals in the digital marketing strategies. Every business has different objectives. It's good to know exactly what you want to achieve online, as it can help you set the right priorities and put your plan into place. Let's hear from Rachel, the owner of Rachel's Kitchen, about how setting clear goals helped when starting her online business. She said, starting an online business is a daunting process actually. We are all used to using the internet in a consumer perspective, but in terms of starting an online business, it can be difficult to know where to begin. I looked at some clear goals. For example, identifying customer profiles. For example, a guy wanting to send cupcakes to be delivered to his girlfriend for Valentine's Day or his mom for Mother's Day. Once I identified customer's profile, I just look after it. I could then set about creating AdWord campaigns that specifically targeted the terms that the customer profile would look for. For example, with the Valentine's Day cupcakes, there are a lot of ways that digital can help your business, such as building relationships on social networks, selling online, maybe finding new customers or even keeping existing ones into the network. It's good to start by asking yourself a simple question. Why exactly do you want to be online? Imagine you're on a hair salon. Your ultimate goals could be to cut more people's hair, sell more premium services, and sell more of the product that you offer. But before anyone can walk through your door, they have to know you exist. This is a great goal that digital can help you with, and you can achieve it. So let's start with that one, getting the word out in the digital world. One easy win is listing your business in local online directories. So when people look for hairdressers on search engines or online maps, your business will show up. Then you might decide to build a website to share information about your business. This could be the things you like for open hours, your location, your prices, and the services that you offer to the customers. Maybe even photos and videos you can upload it that could entice new customers to walk through your door. You could even set up a social media page like Google Plus, Facebook, or even Twitter, where you can post photos and creations, offer specialties, and really connect with your customer. As you start achieving these goals and more people become aware of you, your goals may naturally evolve into the nature, and you might want to shift your focus towards turning visitors into paying customers. You can also add new features to your site. Things like online appointment scheduling, maybe a review section where people can say nice things about you, or even an e-commerce store to sell your hair and beauty products online. Now that you are using digital to attract visitors and turn them into customers, you could start expanding your business by investing in online advertising, in digital marketing. Whatever your ultimate digital goals are or where you currently stand, your priorities will change naturally and grow with your business. Now to make sure you are meeting your objectives, it's really important to measure your progress along the way. This is called analytics. Analytics lets you know what's working well and what could be tweaked and what is not working for you. We will dive into this a little bit more later, but with digital you have lots of options for measuring success. So just a reminder, before you dive into the digital world, think about exactly what you would like to achieve. Then prioritize different online opportunities to help you accomplish those goals. In the next few videos, we will help you to look at different ways that you can establish a digital presence for your customers. Think about different ways to market yourself online, and lastly, understand how you can measure and improve your digital endeavors. I hope you liked the video. Don't forget to subscribe the channel and hit the bell icon and hit the like button of that video. Thank you very much. Have a good day.